Welcome back. Finally, a little bit of rain. Oh, it is raining. Oh, would you look at that? Well, I gotta get some stuff out of here. Finally some rain here in northwestern Ontario, which is good because we're planning a little trip on the canoe. We're gonna hit about 4 or 5 lakes in the backcountry, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So me and my cousin Trevor, we're gonna head out tomorrow morning. We're gonna start at a lake close by, and our goal is to stay a night and hopefully catch a bunch of bass, maybe even a few walleye if we're lucky, and find an island to camp on. So it's a route, I don't know if we're gonna do the entire route that I've been wanting to do. We're gonna try and do most of it anyway. It has been so ugly all day. Windy, rainy. We need the rain though. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna start packing up, get organized, and figure out what we're all taking with. So hopefully it's not this windy come tomorrow, because I don't know how much fun that'd be in the canoe. But yeah, so that's the plan. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be fun. Keep you posted. So let me grab my stuff. Get ready for the morning. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Well, we're about to set sail. Oh!
Oops.
That's disgusting. That's one way to lose your Crocs. Oh no. Oh! Good way to start the 2-day excursion. Got it.
My shoes in here. Got a few mud drops in the front.
Oh. As I was saying, 2-day excursion. About 5 lakes or so. We'll see how far we get. Bon voyage. First encounter with a dear friend. Mr. Baldy himself. I wish I had a long lens so I could zoom right in. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
The majestic Baldy. Here is the entrance to the first creek. It does look kind of shallow right up there, the way where those rocks are popping up. No fishing yet? No fishing yet, but we made it through the first part of the first lake, so a lot of lakes to go. That makes sense. First portage on our maiden voyage. That rhymed. That rhymed. Oh no. Oh no.
What if it just hits the rock and goes down?
What if it goes right to the middle on the left?
Well, you'd be going for a swim.
Hopefully, you think we can carry it up those rocks? I bet you we can. It's not far.
Well, it just depends on how heavy it is.
Oh wow, I definitely judged that wrong.
Hey.
Yeah, you're definitely right. This is not the only part. It's one way to break a disc. It's kind of nice, yeah. We made it. You probably just pull it, yeah. Only 2 more lakes. Definitely looking like portage numero base. Any bassin'? Any bassin'? Maybe one more. Oh. God. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good. It's just, yeah, maybe I'll go like this.
Go a little at a time.
How cool is this? bowl. We're at that tree. Oh, you see that? Yeah. Got him. Not very big, whatever it is. No, came off.
That's right there.
Oh, it's a jack. Didn't want him anyway. What do you think? Ah, we'll survive. Lake number 3, the biggest of them all, and it's raining, it's thundering. We have not landed a fish yet. Had a couple on though, so it's a good sign. Traversing through a thunderstorm. Can't complain though, we're in God's country. How cool that looks. Looks like fog in the back. First cast in the pouring rain, I'm gonna catch one. You could chill on this rock for a bit if you want. Coming down heavy. So yeah, that's that. Oh, you see that? Lightning?
You saw some?
Yeah, right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a good thing we stopped.
Oh, I just got it. Oh, I still got him. Fish on. I think it's a nice bass too.
Oh, that looks like a big boy.
Nice little smallie. Not bad. Not huge, but we got a fish. Hey. We got a fish in the storm. Smallie number 1 of the trip. This honestly looks like an absolute smallie honey hole though. Rocks everywhere. Oh, big smallie. Hit me. Big smallie. Oh no. That's not what I wanted.
That one on.
Not the right one.
You want some almonds?
I'm okay for now. Easy boy, easy boy. Sayonara. Number 2. Shoot him off. Thank you. Trev's on.
Finally.
Another bass. With his... Oh. That's another smallie. Nice.
There we go.
Another bass. Another bass for the boys.
They got a nice size, eh?
Yeah, bud. It's getting cold. Cold. What a time to be alive.
I'm happy we stopped.
Yeah. There goes our rain spot, and we're back. Yeah, I think it's got to be that corner, and it's probably just, I hope it's, if we have to portage again, it should be just a creek all the way out, all the way through, I think. I think it's gonna look wicked. The rain's kind of stopped though. We're back on track. This does not look good. Okay, let's go park on that left there. It looks like that's a trail or something, does it not? Oh my God. It looks like it'd be flowing like a year that there's water though, eh? Yeah. So it might just be this part that's a creek. See someone that was camping out. I mean, not the worst place to camp. This is an absolute trek with the canoe. Damn. That is a portage and a half.
The best way for us to do this one is going to be over our heads.
So we walked up all the way to this creek, pouring out again as of right now. And more dark clouds coming. And I think this is the last one for a long time. I didn't even know this one was here. So I think we're gonna take everything out, walk it to the end, put the canoe on our backs and bring it all the way up and see if we can get to this river. And that should be the last one for a while. Then the next lake's where we're camping. So that's the game plan. Gotta get moving. That's a good, like, I don't know, yeah, 500 yards probably. Yeah, if there's another creek other than that one I know of, I'm gonna lose my marbles. Well, portage the first massive creek that we thought was gonna be the last, and we just stumbled up to another one and then walked all the way. It's about 800 yards of sheer rock, and it looked like there's another one after that, and it's kind of deceiving because it doesn't really look like that on satellite images. Cut myself for the third time, fell on my bum, and yeah, I think the water's just so low right now that I just don't even think it's possible. It's probably, we're planning to do 2 days. I bet you need 4 to 5 days minimum to do this. So I think we're gonna go back, stay at one of the campsites that are already out over at one of the lakes prior, and just fish those ones. We caught some bass there. Disappointing, still fun, still an adventure, but just we'll have to come back at a different time with more time to spare. So still beautiful out here, that's for sure.
You think there's wallies in here?
I mean, I don't know. So hard to say.
Wow, that feels good. Yeah.
After that day we just had.
For swim?
Had some noodles for dinner. Off to smash some big ol', what are we gonna catch? Bass, lake trout, maybe a couple sturgeon, whatever bites really of an active fish.
Holy shit.
Oh, big bass. Frick, should have brought the camera. Nice bass. Bring it up, bring it over here. Oh, dude, that is a nice bass. Try and give him a dip so he's all not all dirty. There he is. Now you got him. That's another bass.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Cute little guy. Good morning, world. That was one of the worst sleeps of my life. Yeah, we finished fishing yesterday. We actually didn't film the whole thing. We caught a walleye, so we actually had that for supper, which was pretty unreal. Walleye and some beans. And it was pretty dark, so here's the campsite. That river is pretty much just to the left right there that we couldn't get up. Somebody has obviously camped here in the past. Tent, lake. It's like 8:30. We're gonna try to go catch some more fish, some more big bass, and then get back, have some breakfast, then head out. So that's the game plan. Still a bit bummed we couldn't get all the way to where we wanted to, but what can you do? Got a major headache right now. No Advil. So just gonna try to go out, catch some fish, and have some fun.
Ready?
Yeah. Bass too. It was a nice one. Thick bass. I don't know about that.
Nice one. Damn.
17 and a half.
17 and a bit. What a beaut.
And there's some big bass in here.
Nice. I really like the eyes on these. The red.
See them? Yeah, another one. Yeah, they're nice fish.
Your favorite fish to catch? Fish to catch?
Oh, yeah. The bass and lake trout, I would say. Oh, got off. Back on. Another one.
Let's try and get in my house.
This feels pretty big. I still haven't seen it yet. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Not too bad. Not as big as I was thinking. Nice one. Angle now though. Good little guy. Small little humps are.
Yeah. The seventh. If you had to hunt or fish for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I fish.
I feel like you could get more out of fishing. This one won't be around.
Decent one.
There's a lot of fucking fish in this lake.
Oh, this is a big bass. Ooh. Another healthy, big smallie.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hula sticks. Z-Man. Doing it. A lot of big ones in here too, which is nice.
I feel like you could make a pretty sweet, like bass only oriented YouTube video.
Double header? Double header. Oh, just jumped in the boat. He wants no part of it. Oh, he's off. Another nice one. Boys are slamming. Well, made it back, survived. Kind of didn't really record the last little bit of kind of the trip. We started getting poured on again. So we basically decided to wrap it up, stop fishing. We caught a few more bass on the way back, some big ones too, just didn't have the camera going. But made it back in one piece. It was definitely a bit of a challenge. Still kind of bummed we didn't make it to where we wanted to go, but all in all, it was super fun. Probably try to do that exact route again, just try make it to the end. Hopefully a little bit more water when we go. I think in the fall time it'd be super cool. Leaves are turning, bass are biting. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more geese hunting in a couple weeks, so probably gonna be doing a lot of videos for those. Stay tuned for that, and peace.